So how to install Charmr live social chat app? So just tap get and then you'll be able to install it. Double click to install, and then you'll just be able to install this app. It's quite high in the social networking right now. Um, However, it doesn't have. It has like 250 ratings. But just be careful with these kind of apps which appear in the app store for out of nowhere. You don't even know the brand, and they just appear and disappear. So you just like need to be careful with it. And then here is just how the sign up looks like. You can just swipe around, and then basically you can just create your account just with Apple or some other way. So then just easily create your account. And that's what it is. Then you can just pick some default avatar, just select your year of birth, and then basically you can just get started, and then just start with the accounts and all of that. And when you created your account, so this is how it will look like. This is just like an overview, and then you'll just might get some messages. You just need to be quite careful with these kind of apps, because it can be quite scammy, and you might receive some messages from AI bots and all of that. So just I'm just showing you around that that this app can be not that safe, but that's what it is. If you want to try it, maybe that's just your decision. Anyways, if then you want to delete your account, go to settings and then tap delete account in the bottom. So that's you have it. You just have, basically the idea here is that you just have like a lot of random video calls and a lot of messaging. However, as you can see, I just signed up like 20 seconds. I got 6 messages. I don't think these are real people. Maybe this is just some AI bots. So just be quite careful with these kind of apps. That's what it is.